Today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. First thing first, launch your Facebook. Get logged into your account and then tap on this three bar icon. As you do that, you will see Marketplace. Select Marketplace, you will see a page like this, and then here select Sell. And you can also sell vehicles and properties. For today's video, I'm going to go ahead and select items. Now make sure that you have the photo of the item that you would like to select or sell. Go ahead, tap add photos. Once done, give it a title, like if it's a computer, go ahead, type in computer. Once done, type in the price, and under category, select what type of item is that you are selling. Under condition, select if it's used or if it's new. And you can also type in description, but this is totally optional. Type in your location where you want to sell, and if you would like, you can also hide this from your friends. Once done, select publish here, and you will see it right under your marketplace, just like this. And if you tap onto your profile, you will see your listing. If you tap onto your listing, you will see all the items that you have added for sale. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.